the thing I'm gonna do is teach you how to eat bazooka bars. Oh yeah, bazooka. Or any chew bar, whatever. Anyway, let's start with something very important. The opening. This is step number 1. Find the tear bit and do as you're told. Tear. Ooh, I broke it. So with your bazooka bar, put it in your mouth. Step number 2. Oh. I can't really show you what it in my mouth. So if you just put a chunk in your mouth, what you want to do is fold it in half in a way, short way, so it's still quite long like this. And you just fold it in half. So it's this. Like that. Then, again, except lengthways, so like this. And then, just chew it. So now, with the actual bar in the wrapper still, just give me a minute. So with your bazooka bar, like this, you pull it down. Then, what you want to do, like pretend this in my mouth, chew it. It's not strong enough. Like this, it. So it's like that. And then, chew like this here. So chew like this. And then that's what you should get afterwards. So, there's another step. It's called suck your bar. Now it's actually called enjoy it. Don't forget to enjoy it, like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Forget about the enjoy the video. I mean, I hope you enjoyed the video.